Dear students, in this video we will discuss some problems of exercise 1.3. I have taken the question number 16 from exercise 1.3. In this question, on the real axis, if set A is equal to 0, 3, it is open closed interval. 0 is not included but 3 is included here. And B is equal to closed interval 2, 6. So both 2 and 6 are included here. Then write the following: A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, and B minus A. So we have to write this. So firstly we will draw the real number line for set A and set B. This is real number line. It is 0. Left side we have to write negative numbers. Right side positive. 1, 2, 3, and so on up to 6. This is the for set A. See the set B. 0, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Set A is open closed interval 0, 3. Means 0 is not included. Make a blank circle here. And 3 is included. So here dark circle. So this portion represents 0, 3. Open closed interval 0 to 3. 0 is not included, 3 is included. And B is what? Closed interval 2, 6. So where is 2? Here 2. 2 is included, 6 is also included. This portion on the real number line represents closed interval 2, 6. Firstly, we have to tell A union B. A union B means we have to take all the elements of set A and set B. So from 0 we have to take and up to 6. From 0 we have to take up to 6. But 0 we have to take open interval, and from 6 side we will make closed interval. So A union B is what? It will be 0, 6. Open closed interval, because B is from 2 to 6 and A is from 0 to 3, but 0 is not included. So in A union B we will take from 0 to 6. From 0 to 6. But here 0 is not included. A intersection B. Intersection B means common in both. So see what is common in both. This portion is common in both. This portion is common in both the sets. This is the common portion. So what is common portion? From 2 to 3. Closed interval 2 to 3. This is A intersection because closed interval 2, 3 is common in both. Next we have to write A minus B. A minus B means from the set A we will subtract A intersection B. A minus B means A minus A intersection B. So what is A? A is 0 to 3 and we have to subtract 2 to 3. From the set A we have to subtract, we have to remove this part 2 to 3. So what we will get? We will get this region. This region is A minus B, means 0 to 2. Open interval 0 to 2, because we have removed 2 to 3 closed interval. 2 is already removed. So from 0 to 2 open interval. And B minus A. B minus A means from the set B we will subtract A intersection B. So B is this line. from 2 to 6, from 2 to 6, and A intersection B closed interval 2 to 3. So we will remove this part from 2 to 6. So we will get only what? 3 to 6. This region 3 to 6. It is B minus A. So we will write here 3 to 6. Open close interval 3 6. 3 we have removed, so 3 is not included. We will make open interval from 3 sides, and 6 is included, so close interval 6. So this is question number 16. With the help of real number axis, we can write the A union B, A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Now we will see next question. See question number 18. The set A is equal to set of letters in the word Jaipur and B is equal to set of letters in the word Jodhpur. We have to find A union B, A intersection B, A minus B, B minus A. After finding it, we have to also verify these two results. Firstly, we will write both the sets A and B in the roster form. So write the set A and B in roster form. So what is set A? Letters of the word Jaipur. So write these letters J, A, I, P, U, R. This is set A. And set B, letters of the word Jodhpur. So J, O, D, H, P, U, R. These are two sets A and B, and we have to write first part A union B. So what will be A union? A union B means we have to write the elements of both the sets, but common elements we have to list only one time. Write J, A, I, P, U, R. These are common elements J, P, U, R. J, P, U, R. These four elements are common. So other elements are O, D, H. O, D, H. This is A union B. All the elements of both the sets. Second part, A intersection B. A intersection B means only the common elements from both. So what are common? J is common, present in both. P is common, present in both. U and R also common. So J, P, U, R. This is A intersection B, second part. And A minus B. A minus B means A minus A intersection B. A minus B means we will remove the common elements from the set A. So remove these common elements J, P, U, R. We will get only these two elements A and I. AI. A minus B means we will remove the common elements of A and B from the set A. So common elements are J, P, U, R. We have to remove it. Remaining elements A and I. So we have to write A and I. Last one, B minus A. So see B minus A, last part. B minus A means B minus A intersection B. We will remove the common elements from the set B. So common elements are J, P, U, R. Remove these four elements. We will write remaining elements O, D, H. O, D, H. So first part A union B, second A intersection B, A minus B and B minus A. Now we have to verify these two results. So write the first result. n A union B is equal to n A plus n B minus n A intersection. n A union B means cardinal number of A union B. So count how many elements are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9. n A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus n B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 minus n A intersection B. Intersection B is this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Simplified. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 minus 4. So 9 is equal to 9. Verified. So both sides are coming equal. It is verified. So write the cardinal number on both the sides and check both sides are coming equal or not. If both sides are coming equal, hence it is verified, otherwise not. Similarly, we will verify the second part, B part. So what is NA? List here. NA. How many elements? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. NA 6. NB 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And A intersection B 1, 2, 3, 4. N A intersection B 4. And N A union B, it is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. N A minus B, only 2. Right here 2. N A minus B, 2 elements. N A 6 minus N A intersection B. A intersection B is 4. So, and this N A union B. A union B is 9 minus N B 7. 2. 6 minus 4 2. 9 minus 7 2. So all are equal to 2, hence verified. So firstly write the sets, then their cardinal number and put the values to verify it. We will see one more question. Question number 21. Here the set A is given 2x such that x is the natural number and 1 less or equal to x less than 4. Means value of x is equal to 1, greater than 1 but less than 4. So what will be value of x here? 1, 2 and 3. B, x plus 2. X is again natural number but x lies in this interval. 2 less or equal to x less than 5. So x is equal to 2, more than 2 but less than 5. So values of x will be 2, 3 and 4. And C said x such that x belongs to natural number and x lies in the open interval 3, 6. X is greater than 3 but less than 6 means only 4 and 5. And we have to determine the set A intersection B, A union B, A union B intersection C. After that we have to verify this result. Firstly we will write all these 3 sets A, B, C in the roster form. So write the sets in the roster form. What will be set A? X is natural number and x lies in this interval. X is 1, 2 and 3. So put here 1, 2, 3. When we will put 1 here, 2 into 1, 2. If we put 2 here, 2 into 2, 4. Put 3 here, 2 into 3, 6. This is the set A. Set B, x plus 2. X is natural number but x lies in the interval 2 less or equal to x less than 5. So value of x we can take here 2, 3 and 4. So firstly take 2. So 2 plus 2, 4. Then 3, 3 plus 2, 5. And then 4, 4 plus 2, 6. And third set C, x such that x is natural number, but x is greater than 3 but less than 6. So we will get only two natural number, 4 and 5. So I have written here all these three sets in the roster form. Now we have to find A intersection B, first part. A intersection B. A intersection B means common elements of both the sets A and B. So what is common in both the sets? 4 and 6. Here 4, 6. 4, 6. It is A intersection B. Second part, we have to write A union B. In A union B, we will write all the elements of both the sets. Right? 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. 4, 6 is already written here. So next element will be 5. So first A intersection B, A union B, and third one. So firstly write their cardinal number. What is n A intersection B? N A intersection of only two elements. 2. N A union B. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Write 4 here. N A. N A is equal to 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. N B. 1, 2, 3. 3 elements. So I have written their cardinal numbers. Now we have to find the third part, A union B intersection C. So write the third part, A union B intersection C. So I have found here A union B is what? 2, 4, 6, 5. So write here 2, 4, 6, 5. It is A union B intersection and set C is 4, 5. So what will be the intersection? Intersection means only the common. So common is 4, 4 and 5 here, 4, 5. So it will be 4, 5. This is the third part, 4, 5. Now we have to verify this result. N A union B is equal to N A plus N B minus N A intersection B. So we have to verify this one. N A union B. What is N A union B? N A union B number is 4. N A is 3. N B again 3. And N A intersection B 2. So 3 plus 3, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, 4. Left side and right side both numbers are equal, hence verified. Hence verified. So I have taken 3 questions from the exercise. I hope that all these questions are clear to you. Remaining questions you have to do yourself. If any doubt, you can ask. Okay, thank you class.